adjust this maybe so it's easier for you. Not recording me. Whatever the fuck that means.
Show us all the materials.
Alright guys, so as you can see there's this dent, also with this one right here. And I tried a paintless dent remover. That shit ain't work. So we're gonna Bondo it up. I'm gonna tape it off and then sand the fuck out of the whole thing. And then Bondo it, sand it, and then just spray a shitty coat of black spray. My valve cover cap is not on that one. What the heck?
Oh.
Ah, fucking cars, man. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna do like a shitty paint job over it because long term I'm gonna wrap it, so I don't really care what it looks like right now. But yeah, this is Sophie. This is my dog from since I was a little boy. At first, I said use 80 grit sanding block. I'm just gonna go in and oh, I'm scared. Oh, and it's happening. Okay, and it's happening. Fine.
I need a blanket. No, it was like that whole scenario of me asking
like
for I need a blanket, and then you like lifting up and giving me some.
One guy I saw online said you should tape it off. I should probably do that first. I did that one, she did that one, and we are going to now fill it in with a Bondo, you know what I'm saying, yeah, and then try to get it smooth, finish, okay. Too good at this. Look at her, it's like she's, what the fuck, where you learn how to do this shit?
Work.
Oh my god, look at her go. We got our masks on and shit. You know, it's toxic material. Going crazy. Yeah.
I think it's good.
Think it's good?
I think it's good.
It looks mixed.
Yeah.
Alright, let's apply. Oh, this is gonna work, but
You go first.
I'm scared.
You gotta be fast. Whoa.
Holy fuck, this shit is strong.
Yeah.
So now, as you can see, after a toxic treatment, that's what we're working with. It's a little crazy, a little bulky, but we're gonna go back in it and sand it down again. I'm not a perfect man, and this is not a perfect car, but at least I try. Where's the wisdom? Try. What you working at?
You know, I'm just detailing the car.
Yeah, zooming on that spec.
Yeah, you know, I'm just, putting in the work.
Just putting in the work.
Putting in the work to make this beauty shine.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're just sanding it. I removed the tape, but I'm gonna just spray over all this. I don't care. But you see the professional body filler is she's taking the reins on this one. I'm supervising, I'm holding the flashlight, and
okay,
I'm okay with it.
Where's the Phillips?
Oh, where's the Phillips? Here's your Phillips. Stat. Now I'm a scrub.
Phillips.
I'm trying to think, maybe a little bit more in here.
A little more?
Just a little bit.
I don't know if I should layer it too much though. Cause
I'm just looking at like with this rest of it.
yeah.
But yeah, I think that's good, yeah.
Cause see how it like kind of pulls when you add more. I think we have to do layer by layer.
Okay, yeah.
Like
Okay, just
let that dry.
yeah, let it dry
See
like
how it's
smooth.
pulling it?
Yeah. Can I pull this?
Yeah. See your car, man.
Did I fuck it up? Did I fuck it up? Did I fuck it up? I don't know. fuck, man. Oh, fuck it up. Got it looking like now. I had to draw a dash line for when I was sanding it because the like the contour, the shape of the body. So I wanted to make sure I could like get it somewhat right. It's funny because like the spot was really like right here and then like right here, but after all the sanding, and this is the best I'm gonna get it, I'm not gonna lie. So now I'm just gonna spray over all of this because scratch the fuck up, scratch the shit out of it. I don't have any glossy black, but I'm gonna use satin black and then just go over it with a clear coat. I'm gonna just use this. Remember, I'm just gonna be wrapping in the future, so it doesn't matter how this turns out, to be honest, but yeah.
Tell us what's going on. Let's see.
Like you can still see the outline.
Yeah. Yeah, you can still see it. Yeah, you need to do one more.
Fuck.
Okay. Retake.
Third coat. Dude, from what it was till now, like even though it's a shitty job.
No, it's not.
I mean, it's like it could be better, but like from what we got it to do now.
Hell yeah. We did that shit. Oh. Okay. Why does it look like that?
There's no dent now on that side.
Yeah.
One step at a time.
What else do you have to say?
Make sure you like and subscribe, Donna. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm satisfied with it.
Yeah.
For the most part.
That's good.
Yeah, we'll just wait till we wrap it now. Holy shit, it's just dirty as hell.
Yeah. Looks good on camera though. Look at it. It's clean.
Can't even tell on camera.
I know, it looks clean. Can't go.
Why not? Look at, she's ready. She's inching up. Look at her. Look at her. There we go, guys! Ah, she's so quick on me! No! She does it. Look at it. To the camera. You said what? You said you just farted. Got her on camera. She's tooted.
Bye bye. The wind took it.
What?
Wait.